Welcome to the channel. Could you take a sudden moment and give me an enormous like for this video? Hit that subscribe and turn on post notification. Takes maybe 3 seconds of your time, perhaps less. It would be a substantial help to this channel. Now I have some news for you guys. First off, I want to discuss this article regarding Google giving away free Stadia gaming kits to YouTube Premium subscribers. It reads, Google has added another promotion to help push its cloud gaming Stadia to more households. YouTube Premium subscribers can get its $100 Stadia Premier Edition bundle for free, and with Google Stadia Premier Edition, it features one Stadia controller in addition to Chromecast Ultra. One thing I was most interested with is the Chromecast Ultra. Now standalone, it's priced at $50. I'm more intrigued by that, so I went ahead and signed up for the whole process. Now, one thing to note, the promotion is only available if you subscribe to YouTube Premium since November 6th. And from the time I signed up for the free trial with Google Stadia and when I received the promotion code, it took roughly about 30 minutes. Now, I went ahead and tried to get my lady involved with the whole promotion. She was hesitant at first. Well, regarding her process, she's actually on my family plan account under the YouTube Premium. So it's pretty awesome. Google is honoring the promotion with 2 people receiving the bundle. And with that out the way, please subscribe to get more details about it. And I also plan on giving you guys a comparison using both xCloud and Stadia on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, obviously. And I don't see anyone putting that content out. You can trust me on that. Well, I'm kind of excited to be able to receive this bundle for free. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to hit me up in the comment section. And that's the end of the video, and I'm out.